Hi folks, welcome back. Well, Arnie's got a new addition. We have a custom aluminium roof rack put up to house the reversing camera and the solar panel. So let's have a quick look. So here we are, solar panel. It's a 2.1 metre by a metre. It's 470 watts at 15 amps. So yeah, it should provide a decent bit. We're going to walk way up the side of the panel there to come off the ladder. So you have the ladder at the back door, up onto the panel, and then the remaining piece will be a decking, obviously cut round the two skylights. These are the little brackets just to be bolted into position. Going to use some roofing tech screws and put them together. So that's the mission for this afternoon. So cables are all hooked up from the solar panel down into the battery box here. I'm waiting on some fuses and connectors and stuff to come. It's supposed to be coming this afternoon, but we'll wait and see. So that's obviously, we're now isolated what's the live and what's the earth. Obviously the red one's the live coming from the panel. So we'll get the fuse in there, get it mounted up, get it hooked up to the DC to DC charger, and once we've got it hooked up, I'll bring you back in and let's see what it's there's Simba in, doing his nosy. Can't help himself, he's got to get himself in the limelight. So yeah, well, we tidy up here, and I want to try and get the windows all final sealed as well. So I'm going to mask round them and get a bead of silicone in. So anyway, had a productive afternoon. Mashed up and put a nice bead of black CT1 round all the windows. I was actually doing it with tiger seal, but the tiger seal was off in the tube when I went to use it, so we ended up with a tube of CT1, which is just as good anyway. So as I say, it's only a decorative seal more than anything, and to put a final seal round those little ribs. So also put another final seal round the skylight. It's been installed with the butyl tape and obviously the silicone. It's not silicone, it was Sikaflex 522. And the panel's all live now. I'll take you inside and see what it's doing. As I say, we're almost at sunset now, so wasn't expecting to get any power from it at all, and it's actually raining. But batteries are up to 12.9 bulk charge, and the panel's producing 1.1 amp in extremely low light, so I'm well pleased. It'll be interesting to see what it actually puts out on a nice sunny day. There you go, 1.2 amp. So yeah, really chuffed, really chuffed. So yeah, just got to give it a clean up. Find somewhere to put these bad boys as well in the cab. Got some nice speakers to put in the front end, but they're a bit in the big side, so I'll just lift it. Oh, I never showed you, just seeing those fuses there. That's the two disconnecting couplings from the live and the earth from the panel, and there's a 40 amp fuse there, blade fuse on the live in from the solar panel. So it means a disconnection plus protection from the fuse. So yeah, it's all good. We've had a good productive couple of days, and that's all folks. Take care out there, people.